Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a small heart. I will also include a free pattern. So let's start. The small heart is a perfect project for beginners, for those who look into crochet something simple. So let's start by making a magic ring. To make it, wrap your yarn around the finger. It should look like this, a loop. Then take your hook, pull it through the loop and pull it through. Now you have the loop like this, and make one chain to fix it. Perfect. Let's start the project now. So we're starting with making a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now we did it this part. Let's make 2 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's continue with 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. The half of the heart almost done. Now we making this part. The bottom part of the heart should be sharp, so I will show you how to make it. Start with making a chain of 2, then make a slip stitch into the second chain, one, and accurately pull it through carefully, because it's usually tend to slip. Up. Done. Now we have a very sharp end. And let's continue by making 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And we're almost done. Pull the end of your yarn from the magic ring a little bit, just so that's enough space to make 2 treble crochet. And we finished. 1 treble crochet, 2, 2, and let's finish by making the chain of 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and finish by making a slip stitch into the hole. And to finish the work, first let's make the magic ring tight, like this. Just pull the end of it and make 1 chain, pulling the yarn through the center, and we finished. The remaining part is just to hide the ends. For this, I make a smaller hook. You can also make 1 knot And I usually hide the ends under this threads in the center. So to make it, just take your small hook, go under the loops, take the thread and pull it through them. Do the same with another end. Let's cut the ends. Can actually cut more. Evenly distribute the rows. And our heart is ready. In my next video, I will show you how to make another simple project for those who are beginners in crochet. Is this butterfly, and provide you also with a free pattern. Subscribe not to miss my next video. Thank you for watching.